We've all been there. A day of fun in the sun ends with the unwelcome sting of sunburn. Our skin, usually so soft and supple, becomes tight, hot and painful. Even the lightest touch can send waves of discomfort through our bodies. The culprit, of course, is overexposure to the sun's ultraviolet UV rays. These rays penetrate our skin's layers, causing damage and inflammation. Sunburn is not just uncomfortable, it's a sign of skin damage that can have long-term consequences. Repeated sunburns increase the risk of premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. Therefore, it's essential to protect our skin from the sun's harmful rays by wearing sunscreen, seeking shade, and covering up with clothing. Aloe vera, with its fleshy green leaves, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. The gel within these leaves is renowned for its remarkable healing properties, especially for burns, including sunburn. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that work together to reduce inflammation, promote cell regeneration, and soothe the skin. The cooling sensation of aloe vera gel provides immediate relief from the burning sensation of sunburn. It forms a protective layer over the skin, preventing further moisture loss and promoting healing. The gel's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling, while its moisturizing effect keeps the skin hydrated and supple. To use aloe vera for sunburn, simply cut open a leaf and extract the gel. Apply the gel directly to the affected areas, gently massaging it into the skin. Repeat this process several times a day for optimal results. Aloe vera gel is available in various forms, including pure gel, lotions, and creams. When choosing aloe vera products, opt for those with a high concentration of pure aloe vera and minimal additives. The fewer the ingredients, the more potent and effective the product will be. Aloe vera is a true gift from nature, offering a gentle yet powerful solution for soothing sunburned skin and promoting its rapid healing. Milk, a common household staple, offers more than just nutritional benefits. It also possesses soothing and cooling properties that can effectively alleviate the discomfort of sunburn. The fat and lactic acid in milk work together to create a calming effect on inflamed skin. The coolness of milk provides immediate relief from the heat of sunburn. The lactic acid in milk acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promote the growth of new healthy skin cells. The fat in milk moisturizes the skin, preventing further dryness and irritation. To use milk as a sunburn remedy, soak a clean cloth in cold milk and apply it to the affected areas for about 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this process several times a day. You can also add a few tablespoons of milk to a cool bath for a soothing and healing experience. For added relief, consider using whole milk, which has a higher fat content, or buttermilk, which is known for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. Milk, with its readily available and gentle nature, provides a simple yet effective solution for calming sunburned skin and accelerating its healing process. Cucumber, known for its refreshing and hydrating properties, is another excellent natural remedy for sunburn. Its high water content and anti-inflammatory compounds make it a soothing and cooling agent for inflamed skin. Cucumbers are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help protect the skin from further damage. The coolness of cucumber slices provides immediate relief from the burning sensation of sunburn. The high water content hydrates the skin, restoring moisture and preventing further dryness. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cucumber reduce redness and swelling, promoting a faster healing process. To use cucumber for sunburn relief, simply slice a chilled cucumber and place the slices directly on the affected areas. Leave the slices on for 15 to 20 minutes or until they warm up. Repeat this process several times a day. You can also blend cucumbers to create a paste that can be applied as a soothing mask. For enhanced cooling and anti-inflammatory benefits, consider adding a few drops of peppermint essential oil to the cucumber paste. Cucumber, with its refreshing and hydrating properties, offers a simple yet effective solution for calming sunburned skin and promoting its natural healing process. Why turn to nature's medicine cabinet when there are shelves full of commercial sunburn remedies? The answer lies in the gentle effectiveness and accessibility of natural ingredients. Aloe vera, milk, and cucumber are not only readily available but also free from harsh chemicals that can further irritate sensitive sunburned skin. These natural remedies work in harmony with our body's own healing mechanisms, providing relief without disrupting the skin's natural balance. They are gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, including that of babies and children. Moreover, they are a cost-effective alternative to expensive commercial products. Choosing natural remedies for sunburn is a conscious decision to embrace a holistic approach to skincare. It's about trusting the wisdom of nature and utilizing its bountiful resources to heal and soothe our bodies. These remedies are not just about treating sunburn, they are about nurturing our skin and promoting its overall health and well-being. By incorporating these natural remedies into our skincare routine, we move towards a more sustainable and gentle approach to caring for our bodies. We reduce our reliance on chemical-laden products and embrace the healing power of nature's offerings. Sunburn, while a common discomfort, can be effectively treated with readily available natural remedies. Aloe vera, milk and cucumber, with their soothing and healing properties, offer a gentle yet powerful solution for calming inflamed skin and accelerating its recovery. These remedies are a testament to nature's ability to provide for our well-being. Next time you find yourself with the unwelcome sting of sunburn, remember the power of these natural remedies. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of aloe vera, the cooling relief of milk, and the refreshing hydration of cucumber. These remedies are not just about treating sunburn, they're about nurturing our skin and honoring its resilience. By choosing natural remedies, we make a conscious decision to prioritize our health and well-being. We embrace a holistic approach to skincare, trusting in nature's wisdom and its ability to heal and soothe. Let us all embrace the healing power of nature and experience the gentle effectiveness of these time-tested remedies. Your skin will thank you for it.